Welcome to simplysportbikes.com. We have a 2008 Honda Goldwing. Go through this video, show you the condition of the bike, parts that are on it, start it up so you can hear it run. This is the GL1800 ABS. We go and take a look at this bike. Take a look here down the right side. See, this bike is very, very clean. It's been very well cared for. As I said before, you can see there the bike does have an anti-lock braking system. Does have the driving lights installed on the front. Again, the bike is very, very clean, very well cared for. See, there's no marks on any of the plastic. This bike does have the navigation system. Also has the comfort package, which gives you the front and rear heated seats and heated hand grips. Does have the controls for the CB radio. Also adjustable headlights. Again, those driving lights. Does have cruise control in reverse. You see the seats are in excellent condition. No rips or tears. The only mark we've really seen on the entire bike is on this back corner bumper. There's a small mark there. Very hard to see. Come out of the trunk. It does have the rear spoiler added. That spoiler does have the brake light in it. Nice added feature for visibility. Looks really sharp sitting on the bike. See, this rear is in excellent condition. Coming on to the left side of the bike. Again, you can see very clean. Here's your control for the rear heated seat. Go ahead and start this bike up so you can hear it run. Again, does have that navigation system. You have a nice big bright screen. You can control your zoom in and out from the handlebar controls. You have your audio on. Audio on with your nav. See all those features work. Does have the remote control to lock, unlock, and open the trunk on the bike. Does have 2 keys with it. Come to the left side of the bike. Again, very clean. No major scratches or marks on any of the paint or any of the finishes. Again, as I said, you do have those driving lights added. Very nice option. Front fender's in excellent condition. Nose section again, very, very clean, no major rock chips of any kind. More pictures, information are available on this bike at Simply Sport.